Yep. But you gotta throw it my way because the sun is right there, so I can't.
Yeah.
Oh, you recovered. Ready?
You want me to throw it towards Jean, right?
Toward Jean. Yeah, otherwise I get too much sun. I can't get it.
Ready?
Yep.
Here goes. 1, 2, 3.
Should have gotten that. Did you catch it?
Nope.
Now
All
they
the way
gotta
down to
put
the
it
water.
out.
I think I'm throwing it too close to the ship.
Yeah, you gotta throw it farther out.
Ready?
Yep.
1,
Here it comes.
2,
Here
Okay.
it comes.
3.
No? Did you get it?
Good.
There's another one.
This is Jonathan right here. Look at that. You get that one?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
He threw it on Jean's head.
goes another one. Got it.
Nice. Nicely done.
Don't feed the seagull. Done. Ready? 1, 2, 3.